this house tour is gonna be quick and in the best way possible because this is a bungalow. You have a lot of space, but it is just one big open space, save for the bedrooms, of course. Now you're in one of the major areas. This is the lanai, and I can't wait to bring you inside. It isn't very often that we get to tour a house like this, much less a corner lot like this. Corner lot meaning you have two streets to choose from. Bahala na kayo what street you prefer to tell your guests. But either way, you have basically two frontages, and that is amazing. So your pedestrian gate is on this side, and then your vehicle gate is on the other. And then when you go in, this is your home. So what I love about this is that it is essentially a bungalow with a basement. Oo, spinoil ko na kasi sobrang rare na magkaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng house tour, and I love it. So you have garden space all around, like all around your home. From here you can see that you have a deck, and then here in the corner you have more garden space, and this is going to lead you to the other side of the property, which has the vehicle carport as well as the vehicle gate. And yes, poso yan. And you can actually revive it. When was the last time you saw one of those? Okay, so let's go in through this door. Because yes, you can enter this house through multiple points. But this is the main door. This is it. It's one big open area. And this is your bungalow. You have your living, your dining, and your kitchen. Obviously, these are not the furniture. These are just for scale, para lang may idea kayo dun sa size. So you can fit your dining area here, or your living, it's up to you. And then you have your kitchen over here in the corner. Of course, as you can tell, renovated siya. So the appliances and the surfaces that you see, like this one for example, they're all new. But you have good bones. Those of you might recognize this as maybe a 70s home or something, like reminiscent of maybe where you grew up as well, so you know that these are good bones. Okay, so anyways, so I just want to start with the kitchen before we go anywhere else. So your kitchen has an L-shaped counter with lots of storage. You already have your built-in stove as well as oven and your sink. More storage up there, and then you have a bar over here. So actually, ideal nga na meron kayong bar setup dito, and then your living area throughout that entire space. And then yung dining nandito. You know how easy and how nice it is to be able to cook here, tas konting steps lang, ihahanda mo na yung ulam dito. Love that, super practical. And as you might have noticed here in the living area, we came in from that door, but you can also come in from this door, and that's gonna lead you out to the deck that we saw earlier. And that door is gonna lead to the carport that we also saw. It's very straightforward, it's very simple, right? I love that. But before we head up to the bedrooms, I want to show you where this goes. And again, this is very reminiscent of those who grew up in similar houses to this. This is your basement. There's so much space. This is still a storeroom. Look at that. Well, actually, because these kinds of basements have windows, they have awning windows, you could turn this into a room if you wanted to. It's not stuffy at all. You know, puro bintana yan eh. But this is the amount of space that you can work with. Diba? Ang laki. So you can arrange your shelves and what have you para meron kang vertical organization, and wala. All of your stuff goes here. The rest of your house remains uncluttered. Okay, so let's go back up, and I just want to take a moment to appreciate the flooring because it's terrazzo. And then a few steps up, like half a floor up, so you have your bedroom area. O, diba? Ito na yun. From here, kita mo na yung buong bahay. I love it. Okay, but before we go inside the bedrooms, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Quezon City, that's right, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. Okay, let's go through these doors first. So here is bedroom number 1. Essentially a square room with your built-in wardrobe and desk already. Then these are your windows. These are French type windows that you open pa side. Kasi yung awning pa ganun, diba? So ito pa ganun. And this one has a view of your carport. It does not have an ensuite, but the common toilet and bath is right next to it with your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. The sound that you're hearing is the exhaust. Nakabukas yung exhaust. And then right next to that, we have bedroom number 2. So again, a square room, except this time you have 2 walls na may bintana, and you have a view of the corner of your house. So this is the backyard, which we will go to in a bit, don't you worry. You also have your built-in entertainment, desk and wardrobe. And then ito entertainment, hindi siya built-in. You can kind of move it around. So bedroom 1 and 2 will share the common toilet and bath. And then this is the primary bedroom. So it's a bigger space. You have a bigger window as well. And then you have your built-in wardrobe and desk. But the difference between this and the other 2 rooms is that this has an ensuite, toilet and bath, with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. That already comes with a nook for your products, and still also has an awning window para madali na yung ventilation. Pero meron pa ring exhaust fan. And that's it. That's the entire home. You have 3 bedrooms, you have 2 toilet and baths, and the moment you leave your room, kita mo na lahat. Kita mo na yung dining, yung kitchen, and yung living areas. If you wanted to see the rest of the house, it's basically just your bodega or your basement and the outdoor patios, which we will now go to. So from your kitchen, and again, you can leave or exit any point of the house, but from your kitchen, you have a door that will lead to a patio. And you can either go to the garden, dun sa may poso, or you can go to your carport. Actually, depende na kung ilang kotse at anong klaseng kotse yung gusto nyo ilagay dito. You can fit 2. If you have smaller cars, maybe even 3. It's up to you. Ideally 2. And then you have more garden space. So if you needed a longer carport, I suppose you could shave off a little bit of the garden space. Again, very much up to you. But here in the corner, we have an open but still covered service area. So you already have your sink here, you have some storage. That could be where your gas stove goes if you want. Kung hindi, okay lang naman din. You have your laundry area, and then you have a full toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and a shower area. And then from here, yeah, so syempre ito na yung back side, diba? This is where the outdoor units of the ACs are. But I just wanted to show you na may planter box pa dyan. There's more garden space. There is a beautiful tree na nagbubunga. And then you can go back up to the patio, the covered patio over here. Or lanai if you want. Ay, kalachuchi! Tama, diba? Kalachuchi yan. John knows more about plants than I do. But yeah, this is a beautiful bungalow home. And it's here in Quezon City. So if you've been looking for a home like this, because this is rare, like you've seen our channel, right? And if you haven't, make sure you check out the rest of our videos. But if you've been here long enough, you know that this kind of home doesn't come around too often. So if you've been looking, or if you've been on the market for one, this might be your sign. But numbers though, I haven't told you how big this house is. have 547 square meters of lot area and then 400 square meters of floor area. And again, this is a bungalow with a basement. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, and then your carport can fit 3 vehicles. And again, this is a corner lot in a private subdivision. So actually, I don't know if you noticed, ang lapad din ng kalye, you can have your guests park by the road, especially at night, and it's not gonna be cumbersome because of how wide the roads are. Saka, pwede naman silang sumapa sa bangketa. And yeah, like again, rare listing in a beautiful subdivision. If you love houses like this, and if you see the potential, like yes, it is renovated, diba? Ang daming mga bagong surfaces, but the potential to design a house like this is exciting. So if you're interested, again, this is in Quezon City, let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.